Hey, thanks for joining me today on Just Cook with Michael. Today we're going to do a tropical salsa. My recipe is going to have kiwis, mango, dragon fruit, an avocado, some strawberries, finely diced onion. You could use either yellow onion or red onion, one sprig of lavender, and a little bunch of cilantro. And then I'm going to put 1 ounce of Grand Marnier in there also. So for this recipe, obviously if you're using a lot of different fruits here, you could change it up with, whatever kind of suits your fancy. Just keep in mind that some fruits tend to oxidize. And this dish, probably the salsa is best to do about an hour to like 4 hours in advance to let the flavors marry a little bit. So if you're putting something like apple or any banana in there, even the avocado, like if you weren't going to use it right away, probably put the avocado just at the very end, because those will tend to oxidize and look ugly in there. That's it, pretty simple. Have fun with it. You can change the proportions a little bit, but it's a dish that goes great over fish. It's really healthy. Put it over chicken. A lot of different options here. Here we go. Okay, we'll begin by mincing up the fresh ginger. It's going to be about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger in there. First, just peel off that rough skin. Then I like to really slice it up about as thin, paper thin as I could get it. Definitely a good idea to have your knives as sharp as can be. This already smells so good. Okay, I'll put this in our main bowl. Kiwis I prepare just like I would a melon, kind of cut off the ends and then just work around peeling off the outer skin. I have my trash bowl here. These look beautiful. These are also great to keep as garnish. All right, next we'll core and dice up the strawberries. Feel free to obviously change the proportions. If it's summertime and you have access to a bunch of strawberries, you definitely can double those up and reduce something else. I'm not putting any jalapeno in here, but some folks will a little jalapeno for that bite of heat. Next up, we'll dice the onions and the herbs. Very thin slices. These cuts are about 1/8 of an inch or less. And then I'll cut it as fine as I can in this direction. Okay, now I have my herbs here. I have some fresh lavender that I grow in the yard, and also some cilantro I'm growing. It's nice if you could put in both these herbs, but if you don't have them available, feel free to leave them out. It's not going to be the end of the world. Okay, now I am going to peel the mango. If you don't have fresh mango, you can use some frozen, or a lot of grocery stores have that mango that's already cut up. Now we're going to chop up this delicious piece of fruit, dragon fruit. It's really good. It's very mild, white with little black seeds throughout. Delicious fruit, also just great to use as garnish. If you take a look at how beautiful that interior is. Just great contrast. It's gorgeous. I'm going to save this as a garnish for my next video. I'm going to do the fruit salsa now. My next video, I will do a mahi-mahi dish with the fruit salsa and some macadamia nuts. The easiest thing is just to cut them in half, like a half moon, and then just go around and take it out so you just have one white piece there. Always taste. It's fairly mild, not a ton of flavor. You get that little acidic bite, and you get the crunch from the black seeds in there, but nothing overwhelming. If you can't find it, no big deal if you leave it out. So our bowl's filling up. Ounce of Grand Marnier in there. Again, feel free to mix and match a little bit with different fruits. This avocado I'm going to reserve to add in right before I do my dish. I'm going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, just a pinch, to help bring out the flavors. Another herb I see some people using with this type of dish is a little bit of mint. There's my shot of Grand Marnier. You also could put like a little bit of honey or agave syrup in there. Again, if you don't want the alcohol in there, you don't have to do that. You just want to keep the natural fruit. It smells so good. It smells like the best fruit salad you've ever had and the best tropical cocktail mixed into one. Wow, in fact, that'd probably be just a delicious cocktail. Put that in a blender of some ice. Now you can make tropical fruit salsa like for numerous dishes. Fish that comes to mind are things like halibut, tilapia, swordfish, salmon, and also chicken. You know, if I was doing this on chicken, maybe like marinating chicken in a little teriyaki sauce, then putting this over it would be great. Get out there, try this for your family and friends. Thanks for joining me today. Now go out and cook for someone you love.